Hi there, everybody.
Jellyfish.
Okay, you are the fastest one. Well, at least you have clear ideas there. Well, actually, jellyfish, it's a good one because, you don't have to be straight. You can go a little wiggy wiggy there, wiggy wuggy. So let's create first sort of a dome like this, yes. And then we have some wiggly lines on the bottom. And again, go whatever you want. I mean, it's actually pretty easy because you don't have to follow anything strictly, let's say. And then we have the tentacles, because obviously jellyfish have tentacles. And even here, it could be simply, wiggly stuff. You don't have to be precise. Just go with the flow. Yes, and then we have sort of, that's cool. And we can try to replicate them on the other side, like mirroring them. Obviously they won't be perfect, and it's not a problem at all. And yes, okay. And the last one will be here. Oh, very good. Okay.
I like your tongue.
Thank you. That's actually very fast. And then what we can do is to obviously put their face. It has to be cute because usually people are scared about jellyfish.
Because they sting.
Yeah, but they shouldn't
Only
be.
the tentacles sting. The head doesn't.
Yeah, that's true.
But stingrays always.
So-
No, the tail of stingrays hurts.
Let's have, as usual, a very friendly mouth.
Jellyfish.
And we can color it here.
Friendly jellyfish.
Friendly jellyfish. And we can color it here. And then just have two little eyes here. Let's make them oval this time. And we can color them black. And we can make the second one here. Yes, that's very cool. And the only thing missing in here are two pinkish checks.
Can you do the lines?
Yes, I will. We can put one here and the other one here. As per request, we can have the cute lines. Yes. Let's make this eye a little bigger because the other one is bigger. Okay. And that's basically it. I think that we have done this one very quickly. Okay, what do you think, Marco?
Nice, but it was longer than the door.
Oh, well, yeah, a little bit longer than the dogs. Well, people, if you liked it, just, draw it yourself and have
Or
fun.
you can pause the video.
Yeah, you can pause the video and see what happens. Okay, everyone, see you in our next drawing. Bye-bye.
Yeah.